Alright, so in this funnel we saw a predefined product in it. So this is mainly how sales funnels work. But what if you have a set of products that you want to have the visitor to select which one of the products or a few of them they want to buy? So how do you make such kind of a funnel? It's very, very simple, and let me show you an example. So click on funnels and let's create a new one. We have a few examples specifically made for multiple products. Obviously, to each funnel you can make it with multiple ones, but here is a quick example with already pre-created template. So let's say we have this one, this one, this one. They're all with multiple products, and let's just pick one. Let's say this one for some kind of creams. Add some name to the funnel, whatever it is, and we have created the funnel with a beautiful landing page and a few products that you can actually sell right away. Okay, so we have to, first of all, you can fully customize it. It's not like the store widget. You can use the store widget as well, and I'll show you in a moment. But here it's more customizable. And to each button, all you have to do is connect a product that you want to sell. So by double clicking, you can just click on the button and then click on store. There you can select the product that you want to buy when you click on the button. So let's say yoga for newbies, and the action. Let's say add to cart. So when somebody clicks on the button, it will add the product that we've selected to cart. For this one, let's select again store, but another product, and let's do the action to be buy now. Buy now will add to cart, but at the same time, it will go to the checkout. So it is really good if you want to straight purchase a product. And for this one, let's again do it with add to cart. Store, select the product that you want to sell, and action is add to cart. This option is if you want to do upsells and other actions, and we will look into that in another video about upsells. So click on select and save. And that's about it. We pre-selected what kind of products we'll be selling by clicking on each button. So they have option to select. And now all we have to do is go to the checkout. In the checkout here, instead of having to pre-select the product, which we had in the previous way, which is the default way, all we have to do is select cart checkout. And that's about it. All we have to do is add a product from the previous step, and the form will show with all the products. In this case, we don't have any products added to the cart, so that's why it shows that the cart is empty. So click on save, and let's go and preview it. Let's go into the first step and click on the preview button. It will see our beautiful page, obviously, and the options for different products that you can buy. So let's just click on and purchase and add to cart this one. And as you can see, a pop-up will show here that the product is added to cart that you can check out right away, or this button that will actually be sticky that helps you navigate through the steps of the funnel. So if you miss this button up top, or you want to see more information, you also always have the option to check out, go to the next step. It is always going to the next step, so it is predefined link, so you cannot modify the link. It's always going to the next step, assuming that the next step is the step that you want to go to. And let's click on this one. It will again add to cart, and let's go to the checkout, and you see we have the form here, so we can just add some name, add some email, some information about the product. And if we go to the next step, we'll see that there's two products that we added to cart in the previous step, which if you click on the change, you can actually modify the quantity. If you have different variations, you can pre-select variations. And actually, if you had variations on the products in the previous steps, it would ask you about selecting the variation. So it will always ask you for that. So this is how simple it is. You can now complete the order and purchase the products that you've added to your cart. But let's show also again how it works with the buy now. So first of all, when you already had the products, you always have this checkout option. That means it remembers what kind of products you had, so you can quickly go and check out. But if you click on this one where we added buy now, you'll see that when you click on it, it automatically goes to the checkout. And you'll see that the product is already added with the other products that we added from the previous test of the funnel. And this is it. This is how simple it is to do any type of checkout with multiple products in this case, if you don't want to pre-select what kind of a product you'll be selling. So this is good for multiple products. Another easy way to add products instead of having to customize it like this is to use just the store widget. So the store widget, you can actually pre-select the products that you'll be selling. In this case, we have the actual products with their images coming from the store. And here, all we have to do is, let's say, add to cart button for the products and click on save changes. So now if we go here and we click on add to cart, it will actually add it to cart right away. Each product will add it actually twice. And if we go to checkout, we should be able to see that everything is added twice for each product because we added it again. So you have the options either to use the store widget or to create your own columns with different designs that the way you want, with custom button, or you just pre-select what kind of a product you want to add to the cart. And this is it. This is how simple it is to actually sell multiple products in a funnel in a super easy way, as you can see. And in the next video we'll show you how you can actually do some upsells again for after the checkout with one click, and option when you add to cart, how to pre-select another product that might be connected with this one that you can easily upsell the customers. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know.